if you're looking for replacements, because guess what, the screws that come here, the hand tightening screws that hold the Jerrycan to here, are a 5/16. So this is a 5/16 screw. Basically, the plastic knobs will, for tightening, eventually will dry up and rip off, and you'll have nothing. So I have a tool. I replace the you know, the handheld twisty tightening fasteners completely because one of them just broke right off, and so I have just one, so I had to replace that completely. So I did. It comes with big heavy-duty washers to hold the Jerrycan on. They're really nice. So you might look at alternatives when it comes to the fasteners. When they rip off, it's just plastic on metal, so plastic's going to give out eventually.